If you switch from one SEO plugin to another, for example if you used to use SEO Press and now use Yoast SEO, you will need to move all SEO titles and descriptions from SEO Press to Yoast. And this is possible with the WP Sheet Editor plugin, which can quickly rename the meta keys so that the old fields are recognized by the new plugin. This works for all plugins. For example, you can migrate information from one review plugin to another, or from one e-commerce plugin to another, etc. This plugin allows you to edit thousands of posts, pages and any other custom posts in seconds. It displays all items in a spreadsheet containing an advanced search and bulk editing tool that saves you a lot of time and clicks. We'll leave you the link to download the plugin in the description of this video. You'll also find the link to our written guide. To find the field you want to rename, you can right scroll, or you can use the locate column field. In this case, we'll use this field to easily locate the field that we want to rename. Once you find the field you want to edit, you have to right click and select the option Edit Meta Key. This will open a pop-up where you have to enter the new meta key. Then just accept to make the changes and to reload the page. As you can see, the field was renamed and all the information is still linked to it. If you don't know the meta key of the new plugin field, simply go to the new plugin field. Right-click on the field name. Then select Edit Meta Key. Once the pop-up window opens, copy the meta key and cancel the action. Now go to the field you want to edit, and right-click on the name. Select the Edit Meta Key option. This will open the pop-up window where you can paste the meta key you copied before. Now accept to make the changes. And accept to reload the page. With these simple steps, you will have changed the name of the custom field or moved the meta keys thanks to the WP Sheet Editor plugin. Remember that you will find the link to download this plugin in the video description, as well as the link to review our written guide. We have live chat support on our website in case you need extra help. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials.